Hi guys, so if you're new to forex trading, guys, be sure to watch the video up until the end.
Yeah, you can't afford to miss this video, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. So yeah guys, moving on, the first tip I can share with you guys for today will be brokers. What I can tip you in terms of brokers is try to find yourself a broker that is not too famous. The reason I'm saying this is because a broker that is too famous, it becomes hard for you to try something new because they've seen a lot from different traders. So in your path to find a new broker, be sure that the broker that you want to find, firstly, is regulated. A broker that's regulated gives you some confidence to know that they can actually scam you, and if they try to, you can contact them and they'll bring back your money. So find a broker that's regulated and find a broker that is not too famous.
Exactly, guys. You must also understand that brokers are your enemies. If you're a forex trader, you must understand who your enemies are in order to win into the forex market. Yeah, guys, the second tip we want to talk to you about is to actually trust the process. With that being said, what I actually mean is, guys, everything in life has to start from a lesson. You can't just jump into something without actually knowing how it works. Meaning, many people's perspective in terms of forex trading, they just think like forex is complicated. They can never understand how it works, the ups and downs, the charts. Yes, everything in life, before you actually know how it works, it's complicated. But once you start giving in your time, like your efforts, you understand how it works. That's how you actually become a profitable forex trader. So yeah.
So that's our third tip will be mentorship. Trying to find yourself a mentor. What I can tip you in terms of that is don't ask your mentors questions that are not related to trading. For example, people ask questions like how many houses do you have, how many cars do you have. Some people are actually privileged before trading, so some might even have like 2 or 10 cars before knowing how to trade. So when you want to know how the mentor is doing, ask questions that are actually related to forex trading. How is his accounts doing? Have you seen any of his trades? You know, so that's what I can tip in terms of trying to find yourself a mentor.
Yeah, guys, our fourth tip is being a mentee. Being a mentee doesn't necessarily mean that you have someone who spoon feeds you the whole way, someone who takes you down the river and forces you to drink the water. You can choose what kind of mentee you want to be from your mentor. It's either you become that mentee who does not participate and fails, or the one who actually tries, participates, and actually excels. So you must understand that most of the effort actually comes from your side, that the amount of effort you put in, the results will actually implement how you listen to your mentor.
Yeah, adding to what he's saying, guys, having a mentor is like the person is trying to teach you or guide you in terms of which mistakes you should avoid. You're gonna have to work as same as they did. They're here to guide you in terms of which correct path you should take. Yeah, guys, our last and final tip for today will be consistency. In order for you guys to master how to trade forex, you're gonna need to be able to practice over and over again. So those who are completely new, and even if you're experienced and you like to learn from different people, we do provide online lessons. So you can reach us. We're going to leave our contact details in the description below, so that's how you can contact us, guys.
Life tip: never give up and always keep trying, guys.